Let me expose some secrets a lot of drivers don't know. Ignoring tires issues is increasing the number of road accidents every year, so don't be one of those making these flat tire mistakes. If you are a driver, please concentrate and watch this carefully. You know how to handle a flat tire problem, you need to think again, because most people make at least one of these critical mistakes I'm about to show you here just by panicking. These could cost you hundreds or even put your life at risk. So there is no point panicking because there is always a solution for every problem. Now stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be smarter than 90% of drivers on the road. This is TireSho, where we make sure you never get stranded again. Mistake number 1, using the wrong jack spot. My friend, don't jack up the car in the wrong place. If you do this, your car could slip right off the jack. Not only is it dangerous, it can damage your frame too. As you all know, we have plenty electric cars out now. Imagine you jack up the car in wrong place and cut all electric wires. This will cause your car to fail, and you could be speaking to different language nobody will understand. So always check your owner's manual or look for the small notch near your tire. That's your safe zone or jacking point. We also have a video on this TireSho channel, how to safely jack up your car. Mistake number 2, not loosening the lug nuts first. You are trying to loosen the lug nuts after jacking the car. Please do not act like you're drunk. This is wrong, and never mess about with the road safety. Your car needs to be firmly on the ground while you loosen those nuts. Do it in the wrong order and you'll either strip the nut or shake the car right off the jack. Mistake number 3, letting your spare go flat. You pull out your spare wheel and it's flat. Oh guys, you are looking so confused. How ironic is this? You go to change the tire that's flat and your spare tire is also flat. This is crazy, right? I can tell you that over 60% of drivers never check their spare wheel until they have got a flat tire. So the best way is to make it a habit. Every service or tire change, check your spares pressure and make sure it's ready for when you have a flat tire. This only takes 30 seconds and will save you from hours of trouble. We all know that most modern cars now don't come with spare wheels, so you need to make sure your tire repair kit is ready. Mistake number 4, over-tightening lug nuts. Have a look all these stripped lug nut or broken stud. Tight nuts is good, but too tight is deadly. I have seen cases where drivers are stuck on the road with a flat tire and can't change spare tire because the nuts are too tight. No way. Do you want to get into this kind of situation? Cranking your lug nuts with all your might? You risk stripping the threads or even cracking the rotor. The best way is to use a torque wrench or visit a tire shop right after replacing it to double check that for you. Remember, safety first. Mistake number 5, driving too far on a spare. Oh no, you are speeding with a donut spare. This is the silent killer. You are treating your spare like a regular tire. Those little donut spares are meant for 50 miles max. Do not drive a faster than 50 miles per hour. Push it too far and you're one pothole away from a second blowout. Mistake number 6, forgetting the place you kept the locking wheel nut key. Majority of modern cars, particularly those with alloy wheels, are equipped with locking wheel nuts. So this is a very important tool that you should make sure it is kept in a very safe place that could easily be remembered. Now here is what most people forget. You could be standing on the roadside, no signal, at night, so make sure you keep a pair of gloves, a flashlight and a tire inflator in your trunk. It's not just about fixing the tire, it's about staying safe while you do it. Flat tires happen to all of us, but now you know how to avoid the real damage. If you really want to stay safe on the road, then watch this video that will pop up next here. 10 dangerous mistakes after changing your tires. On this channel we help you drive safely, smartly and also save money.